Welcome to NZ Old Coin News. If you're passionate about rare coins, subscribe now and join the community. The Australian 5-cent coin was introduced in 1966, following the transition to decimal currency. The 1968 version features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, designed by Arnold Machin, and the echidna on the reverse, designed by Stuart Devlin. These coins were minted in massive quantities. So why would a specific 1968 coin be so valuable? Let's dig deeper. These factors can elevate a coin's value exponentially. A single rare coin could change your life, so check your collections carefully. Let's talk about market value. While standard 1968 coins are worth only face value, some examples of rare coins or error coins from the same period have fetched thousands at auction. A coin with significant rarity or a well-documented error could easily go up to $1 million in value if the right buyer is found. In the numismatic world, it's all about demand and condition. Want to know if your coin is valuable? Here's how to identify a rare 1968 Australian 5-cent coin. 1. Inspect closely. Use a magnifier to spot errors. 2. Weight check. Measure the coin's weight. Planchet errors often result in deviations. 3. Mint marks. Some coins have distinguishing mint marks or lack them entirely. 4. Compare. Use reliable numismatic guides or get professional opinions. Remember, condition matters. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition always fetch higher prices. With the rising interest in rare coins, it's essential to beware of scams. Avoid buying coins without proper grading or certification. Trusted services like PCGS and NGC can authenticate and grade your coins. Also, don't be swayed by exaggerated claims. Always do your research. So, could your 1968 Australian 5-cent coin be worth $1 million? While it's unlikely, rare coins do exist, and they can be worth a fortune. Always inspect your coins carefully and consult experts when in doubt. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to NZ Old Coin News for more fascinating numismatic stories. Drop a comment below if you found a rare coin